So the Kenya Premier League haijulikani itaanza lini. Yeah, this 2026-2027 season. As things stands, haijulikani the Kenya Premier League itaanza lini because it was scheduled to start on 22nd of August this year, but we have 2 pending court cases that are supposed to be heard. Then ndio league resume, but that hasn't stopped the teams from beefing up their squads as they prepare to challenge the defending champions, that's the Gor Mahia, from the title. Hey, Gor Mahia closest rivals, that's AFC Leopards. They have really beefed up the squad this season. As we speak, AFC have signed 10 players. Yes, 10 players. And maybe they might add one. If I'm not okay, maybe they might add one or they might end there. Remember last season, AFC signed only 7 players. We only had 2 foreigners and 5 locals. But this time, as things stand, AFC have really beefed up their squad with around, we are talking of 4 foreigners. Yeah, 4 foreigners, because we have a goalkeeper in the name of Ikara. We have a central defensive midfielder in the name of Tadeo Luanga. We have an incoming attacking midfielder in the name of Adama Kante. That is the MVP of the year in the Gambian Premier League. Then we have a striker in the name of Musa Sisei, from the Gambian Premier League. Yeah, this time Ambani waliamua aende huko Gambia, all the way in West Africa. West Africa ndio wametoa these 2 prolific players ambao they wanataka ku beef up squad. Add on that, they have reinforced their goalkeeping department by the arrival, bringing in Sebastian Wekesa from Kariobangi Sharks. They have brought in Emuria from Bidco to add just to the Ikara mwenye nimekwambia. Also, we have Wings FC jaongeza any winger. We were supposed to release one, but we retained him. Yeah, tulikuwa tumeachilia Mahiga ende, but after missing out on Owili, AFC opted to bring back Mahiga. So in the midfield nimekwambia ni yote Tadeo Luanga tumeleta. Then on the flanks, after huyu ameenda anaitwaje, after Hassan Beja ameenda Tusker, AFC decided to go for Naman Belecho from Bandari. He was in